Modi is not Narendra Modi. Modi movement means making of developed India, making of developed India, MODI. That is the movement going on in the country. Once India becomes developed, no unemployment. Once India becomes developed, then self-respect. Then once India becomes developed, no malnutrition, no hunger deaths, no atrocities. India has to develop. Once India develops, you get employment. Already, after Modi ji became Prime Minister, skill development, skill upgradation program. Now, new ministry has been formed for skill development. New initiatives are taking place. Once the development takes place, the face will change.
विविध योजना ह्या शासनान योजने आखल्यो आणि यशस्वीरित्या राबयल्यो ताचो अभिमान म्हाका भारतीय जनता पक्षाचो मंत्री आणि भारतीय जनता पक्षाचो मुख्यमंत्री म्हणून निश्चित आसा. आणि त्यामुळे गोंयभरात जेन्ना आमी प्रवास करता तेन्ना सगळे कडल्यान आवाज येता, सगळे कडल्यान प्रतिसाद मेळटा की मीडिया किती येऊन काही अपप्रचार काही माध्यमातून जातात, माझ्या बाबतीत जातात, लक्ष्मीनंतर सगळ्या हल्लो आणण्याच्या